Hi everyone, today we're going to work on strengthening and defining our abs. This is part of my core strength program. You can find all my free fitness programs on my website. I'll post a link down in the description below. All right, send me some love by hitting that subscribe button and let's get started. We have 11 exercises ranging from 30 to 40 seconds. We're going to start with Flutter Kicks. So lie on your back and place your hands just under your hips. Raise your head up, push that low back into the mat, and kick. Let's turn over and move into Spider-Man planks. Come into a plank position, bring one knee up to your elbow, return to a plank, and then repeat on the other side. Next, we have a reverse crunch. Place your hands at your sides and use your abs to raise your hips towards the ceiling. Now we're going to move into a crossover crunch. Place your right foot on top of your left knee, hands behind your head. Now crunch, bringing your left elbow and your right knee together. Switch sides, place your left foot on your right knee, crunch, bringing the right elbow and your left knee together. Time for mountain climbers. Come into a plank position and bring one knee into your chest at a time. Next we have a V-up. So we're going to turn back over and we're going to crunch up both our torso and our legs. Onto star crunches. Bring your arms and legs to each corner of the mat and crunch, bringing one arm and the opposite leg up at the same time. Tap your hand to your foot, come back down, and then repeat on the other side. Moving into a side plank twist. Come into a low plank on your right side, stagger your feet, and raise your left hand up towards the ceiling. Rotate, bringing that hand under your torso, reaching as far behind you as you can. Raise it back up and dip your hip towards the mat and repeat. Let's repeat this move on our left side. From here, we're going to move into dead bug. So let's come onto our backs and raise our hands and knees up toward the ceiling. We're going to tighten our core, really pushing that low back into the mat. And then we're just going to drop one arm and the opposite leg down towards the mat at a time. Next, we have plank with ankle taps. Come into a high plank position. Then we're going to push our hips back and toward the ceiling while we use one hand to reach back and tap our opposite ankle, lower back down into a strong plank, and then repeat on the other side. All right, let's do some bicycle crunches. Lie on the mat and bring your hands behind your head. Now crunch up, extending one leg out while you crunch your other knee and towards your opposite elbow. Really focus on keeping your low back on the mat. Awesome job, guys. I hope you're enjoying my videos so far. If you want to post progress photos, be sure to join my Discord community or use my hashtag. I posted both down in the description below. I have lots more videos on the way, so be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all again soon.